Ever wondered if your Jeep could be more, do more? Uzbasic Motorsports Performance Parts is here to answer that question with a resounding yes. Born from a passion for performance and innovation, we offer a range of upgrades to transform your Jeep into the ultimate off-road machine. Venture into the wild with our advanced 4x4 suspension systems. These upgrades aren't just about durability, they're about providing you with unmatched control and stability, no matter the terrain. Our suspension systems go beyond the standard, offering a smoother ride even in the most challenging environments. But what's an off-road beast without power? Our engine and exhaust system upgrades are designed to boost horsepower and torque while maintaining efficiency. High-performance air filters, fuel injection systems, and engine management solutions are just a few of the enhancements you can expect. And let's not forget our exhaust systems. They're not just for show, they're designed to improve engine breathing and overall performance. Safety is paramount, and we've got you covered with our high-performance braking systems. Our advanced brake pads, rotors, and calipers ensure that your Jeep stops as well as it goes. Feel the thrill of speed with the confidence of knowing you're in control. A Jeep isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. That's why we offer aesthetics and functional upgrades that not only enhance your Jeep's look, but also its functionality. LED lighting, custom bumpers, and more ensure your Jeep stands out for all the right reasons. So, are you ready to take your Jeep to the next level? Uzbasic Motorsports Performance Parts is your key to an unparalleled driving experience. We're more than just a parts supplier, we're your partners in performance. So step into the future, embrace the thrill of the ride, and join a community of enthusiasts who know that with the right parts, any Jeep can become a symbol of automotive excellence.